All right, so let's go straight to the point. The next thing we are going to learn today is how to buy your USDT. Your USDT is your normal dollar, okay, from P2P. Yes, that's where you buy your normal dollar that you will now use to buy the coin. I'll be recommending you to buy on MetaMask. So let's go ahead and buy the USDT. But first of all, if you have not watched my video on how to set up your Bybit, because we're going to use Bybit to get it, I hope you know that Binance and KuCoin has been banned from P2P. That is for those in Nigeria. So, but Bybit still have their P2P. So let's go straight to Bybit. You click the Bybit. I've already downloaded it and then set it up. The link is on my bio. You understand? The link is on the description. So you click the link on the description to watch how to download and set up your Bybit so that you will not make mistake. So the next thing we do, once you open the first page, the first thing you do is you click on this more. You click on more. This more here. You click on it. Once you click on more, it opens. Now once more open, you look for your P2P. You look for P2P. Where is my P2P? Okay, see my P2P trading. See mine. So this is P2P trading. Okay, so you click on P2P trading. You click on P2P trading. Now, click on get, let's start trading. Now, let me explain this dashboard. In this place now, this is the USDT we want to buy. Make sure your own is in USDT. But if you want to buy Bitcoin direct, you point on the Bitcoin. If you want to buy Ethereum, you point on the Ethereum. But what I normally buy is the USDT. All right. So we are on USDT now. Now let me explain this part now. Here now, this particular first person I'm seeing. Sorry. Um, this particular first person I'm seeing now, okay, wants to sell his coin. He wants to sell his USDT, and the price he is selling is 1,400 and this one now, 1,494 naira per dollar. Okay, and then he wants to sell, the quantity he has is up to 149.417 here now. This is the quantity he has for sale. Okay, this is quantity he has. Then you now look at the limit. The limit says that this person wants to sell from 200,000 to 223,000. So if you want to buy from 200,000, then you have to buy from this person. All right. So you are the one to check your limit. But instead of scrolling down to start looking for, instead of scrolling up, to start looking for who you want to buy from, look at this particular person. This person is very okay. This particular person now, look at this person. Now, this person wants to sell at the rate of 1,493 per dollar. Then he has up to $92. Then, but the limit he wants to sell from just 1,000 to 3,200. So I think we'll buy from this person because we are just doing analysis. Let us just do analysis. So let us buy from this person. Okay, buy from this person. You click on that person you want to buy from. So, but instead of you looking for the person to buy from, what you do is just to click on this place they wrote amount. Click on this amount. You click on this amount. Okay? If you click on this amount, then you put in, okay, it's loading. Network issue. I'm really having network problem here. So, it will open. You put in the amount you want. If, for instance, you want to buy 5,000 naira worth of USDT dollar, you search the 5,000. Now, it will automatically bring out everybody that wants to sell from the range of that 5,000 for you, ranging it from the cheapest person to they range it from the person that sell the cheapest, the person that has the cheapest rate. Okay, so it is loading. I'm having a little network problem. Be fast, okay. Okay, so as we are waiting, okay, now see, this particular person wants to sell just 2,000 naira own. Let's just look for someone that wants to sell from 5,000. All these people are ineligible, so they cannot sell. Maybe one or two problem they have. Ineligible. So okay, maybe I will just buy from this person. This person wants to sell from 10,000. Just once you click on that person, try another ad. Okay, let me try this person that wants to sell from 2,000. Now this guy wants to sell uh, just 2,000 naira worth of coin. So you put in the amount. If you open to the place, you put in the amount you want to buy. If you want to buy 100,000, you put in 100,000. But 100,000 will not work because the highest, the maximum limit this person wants to sell is just 2,000. Okay, we can just put in that 2,000. If you put in the 2,000, 2,000.13 is the least you want to sell. Okay, then that is $1, 1 point something dollar. Look at the words here. Okay, look at it. They will show you how many dollars it will be. That is $1.339. All right, then once you click on buy, now what happened? Now let me explain this place. I'm clicking on next step. They're just trying to show me what to do. Now let me explain to this place. The first thing you will check is this time. They will give you a time to make the payment. Like this one, they gave me just 14 minutes to make this payment. And if I did not make this payment within the 14 minutes they gave me, this trade will automatically cancel. Okay. So what I normally do is that I click on that I have already paid. Okay, if you click on pay now, this is the details of the person. This is the person's name. This is the person's name. Okay, this is the amount I want to buy, blah blah blah. So but what I need to do is I'll click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, just they want to show you some steps. Okay, the next thing you do is you click on this little icon here. Sorry, not this one. Sorry, on this little icon here. This is his account number. I'll click on that little icon here. If you that oh if you click on this little icon, this little one here, okay, to copy his account number. If you copy his account number, then remember that it is PalmPay. Look at his name, everything about him, his address, then his PalmPay. Okay, PalmPay is what you want me to pay with. Then please, I advise you click that payment is already completed before you go to pay. Why? Because they gave you a limited time to make the payment. That is 13 minutes. And if there is a network issue and you are trying to make the payment and then maybe this time elapse and then you have already paid, what will happen? They will cancel the trade and the person will not refund your money. So but if you click that you have already paid, then go and do transfer for him. Okay, so let us just do it. Then once you do transfer for this guy, you will now wait patiently. If you wait patiently, he will release the coin. Okay, he will release the coin. Once the coin is released, I will now tell you what to do next. So try it out and tell me what you think about it, whether your coin is being released or not. Then if there is any issue at all, you can click on this. Sorry, you can click on this place to chat the person up. You can click on this place to chat the person up. All right, you can tell the person, hey, I've made the payment. So okay, look at what he told me. He said, please pay fast, no crypto word in your narration. So once you want to pay, don't put anything that you are paying for crypto. Just make your payment. Why? Because federal government is going to ban your account. Okay, yes, they're going to ban your account for transacting on crypto because crypto is banned in Nigeria. All right, so I'm going to make payment. Let me click that I've already paid. Let me click. You check in this board and confirm that you have already paid. But before that, uh, I don't really want to pay anyway, so just try your own and then tell me what you think on the comment section. Then the next video is now how to use the coin that will be released. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.